This is something that's been featured on news stations, in parenting magazines, giving her the thermometer, putting it under her tongue, trying to get her to hold it under. Okay, let's test it out on the girls who are watching Frozen right now. Emmy, I'll try it on you first. Perfect. Oh yeah, it looks good. Okay, Avery, let's try it on you. Ooh, you're a little hot. Let's see. We're only doing it just off the forehead, not touching the forehead. Let go of the phone. All right, Emmy, let's try you again, just off the forehead. Don't touch the. Don't, look at this. Look at this. Stop moving. Thanks, Ace. 98.2. Perfect. If it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.